Yeah, just practicing my jams. They say I should try out for the voice. I know I'm talented. Oh my goodness, you guys. I was gonna make a video today on FIFA and the, possible scripting momentum stuff that people have been talking about for years now. But something came up, news article, and I could not do something on it right away. It's not even like super gamey, but more greedy. So, heck, let's just get right into it. It's in regards to Activision Blizzard and them banning a player from Hearthstone for a full year and from the Grandmasters tournament. Due to him making a comment in regards to the protests in China. Now, I myself, I know if I was playing Hearthstone and, as an American citizen, I feel like I could make a comment going on the protest. And, I think what China is doing is fucking garbage. So, what, he did, I'm actually absolutely blown away that they did ban him. And all he said was, "Liberate Hong Kong, revolution of our age." That was enough to get him banned for a year. Now, the reason for this is because China is absolutely notorious for, if you say anything wrong about China at all in anything that you do, they won't let it exist in China. That goes for movies, games, anything. And a lot of people don't know this, but China is an absolute massive revenue for companies these days, especially gaming and movie companies. Even blows America out of the water, in my personal opinion, anymore. And Hearthstone, Activision Blizzard's game, Hearthstone, 31% of its mobile income in 2018 came from China. So, of course, Activision Blizzard is just going to be like, fuck you, dude. Don't talk shit. That's $51 million. They're not going to lose $51 million over, somebody saying something. But it's absolutely freaking pathetic. Because it proves that they care more about the dollar bill than they do about, the people supporting their company. Which is like, that doesn't even make freaking sense. I'm sorry, I just mind fucked myself. Oh, God. Oh, no. Ah! But yeah, 31% of Hearthstone 2018 revenue, mobile revenue, came from China. So they're going to defend, China at all costs, which is absolutely pathetic because what China is doing in Hong Kong is grotesque. I mean, it's terrible. People have died, and all these people want is the withdrawal of the extradition bill, for the word riot to not be in relation to protests, for the people that have been arrested already for the protests to be released and all charges against them dropped, because why? Why the hell are they arresting these protesters? It's just disgusting. It's just disgusting. And Activision Blizzard has just proved all they care about. Activision Blizzard could put out the greatest game on the planet, like Diablo 4 could come out next year and just be like all the gods' gifts to the earth. But I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. Ah. It's just, I'm done with that company. I thought what EA was doing was just god awful, but I mean, these companies are just duking it out now to see who can be the most fucking vile. And straight up, wow. But anyways, I just wanted to put some quick thoughts out. Blitzchung, the player that was banned, I am so sorry. This is just god awful, and wow. Just wow, I am so sorry. And let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions. I mean, if you were playing and you were in this great tournament, would you feel like you should be able to, say anything? Or do you feel like what he said was enough to get you booted out? The, liberate Hong Kong, revolution of our age. Do you feel like if you said that, would that be enough to get you booted? But all right, yeah, again, just wanted to make a short video on this because I couldn't not make a video on it. And I hope you all have a fantastic day, humans. And if you enjoyed this at all, please hit the subscribe button. I would supremely appreciate it. And yeah, bye-bye.